So we're almost here at Star Rock. We're meeting up at its parking lot.
Yeah.
And there's Sunny.
What's going on, everybody?
It's just me and you today.
What's that?
So we're here in the Northwest Visitor Center. Very nice day. It's middle of March, the edge of spring, beginning of, and I think it's gonna get up to the 50s today. That's in Fahrenheit.
Hopefully.
That's pretty. So I think there's a river down here, or some type of creek. You can see the cool rock formations. Yep. So this is French Canyon. So we're getting water from probably the snow thaw and recent rains. It rained last week. Oh, a portion of this week too. So this is nice. So we're gonna see more waterfalls like this. All right.
That was cool. And I recently bought one that was a stormtrooper. So we're gonna do that one while we're watching the Star Wars series.
Yeah, this is how it was in our trails, dude.
Crazy how this place came to be.
Eatables and stuff like that.
Yeah, it's funny. They ended up when COVID hit, they ended up firing. But then one thing that we had an issue with was the files that we had. Dude, they all contained slow trailer wheel.
Let's see the other side. It's yellow on this side. I don't have the trail guide. Steady cam.
So now it's.
So we're by the water now.
We met up farther at the bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll go up to the bridge by the parking lot, use the restroom, and eat.
Okay. Cool with that.
So the Fox River, 100 years ago you can drink out of this, but wouldn't suggest it now.
No, probably not unless you had a filter.
Oh, look at those granaries of cement trucks over there.
Yeah, but it's how does that and that was my philosophy. If you're not able to act in as your own because you have multiple personality disorder, can you consider that a different person that's living inside of you? And at that point, do you have multiple souls? Is there? We good? I think we're good.
We're at this peak here. As you can see, there's 200 feet drop, foot drop. That Fox River, I believe.
Yep. Yep.
Very nice. Got a little limestone, a little bit of sand up here, gravel. Fir trees, coniferous. Very nice. We're descending the stairs of hell. We had to climb this once in the summer, but I guess going down is a lot easier, right? On a better position, some kind of network managing position for all schools. Something
I
like
was about to say, like, you got a network positioning as the principal?
that. Yeah, or some type of private institution.
Into buildings to try and help out the whole,
I feel like I'm in a video game.
Alright.
This is the highlight, I think. Yeah. Wouldn't you say? This is what we were looking for? This type of scenery? Look at that.
Keep going. So,
Just because of the name, right? Apple buys beats.
hey, here's something. Here's the thing.
It's hilarious. That's pretty. Oh, I see why they like fishing here. It's a wall. See, Sunny's hair is kind of like purple. Yeah, I think Valerie's car is the same color.
She just has different lights,
Right.
and the seats are different.
Awesome. So we did it. 10 miles about.
I'll say 10 miles. If anything, I'll do the math at home.
And we're done. That was a great hike. Thank you.